7 baking soda beauty hacks. Baking soda is a common household item often used in cooking, but did you know it can also have cosmetic uses and benefits? Nowadays, many beauty enthusiasts are keen on using baking soda in their makeup routines for its incredible results. Here are some of the most common baking soda beauty hacks you can try. Number 1. Dry shampoo. Leading a busy life means you may not always have the time to wash your hair every day. Instead of suffering from oily hair, you can use baking soda as a dry shampoo. It will soak up all the oil in your scalp and leave you looking refreshed. Number 2. Avoiding razor burns. Using razors to shave any part of your skin can cause severe burns, especially if you have sensitive skin. By using a thin layer of baking soda before and after you shave, you can avoid painful burns. Number 3. Spot treatment. If you develop any spots in your skin as a result of acne or too much sun exposure, you can apply baking soda to the affected area for a few days and see wonderful results. Baking soda helps remove any lodged bacteria and protect the affected area. Number 4. Deodorant. Baking soda can be used as a natural replacement for deodorants to soak up sweat without leaving bad odors. It is a great alternative to chemical or alcoholic deodorants if you want to avoid unnatural products. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button as it really helps the growth of our channel. Number 5. Detox Wash. Relaxing in a bathtub with baking soda mixed in warm water can help your skin glow. Baking soda can be used in detox washing of your skin and hair as it removes bacteria and bad odors that leaves you feeling refreshed. Number 6. Foot scrub. If you suffer from bad foot odors all the time, then using baking soda every now and then and scrubbing them can get rid of the smell. Foot scrubs using baking soda can also help you get rid of the dead skin in your feet for a softer feel. Number 7. Oral hygiene. Using a bit of baking soda to brush your teeth every now and then can help prevent infection and treat severe pain. The baking soda powder greatly helps with oral hygiene and can make your teeth whiter. Baking soda is one of the most beneficial household items there is. Not only can you use it for cooking and cleaning purposes, but it has magical cosmetic benefits. Make sure you always keep some baking soda handy in your house for any uses that may come up. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video if you found it valuable.